Hey Keisha, how's it going?
I'm good.
Good. My name is Jack and I'm your student physical therapist today. I understand you had a fracture of your left wrist there, right? So that one's feeling pretty stiff still?
Yes.
So basically what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go through some range of motion tests, kind of some strength tests of that wrist and get it mobilized. So with that said, I'm gonna be holding onto your wrist, your hand, just kind of moving you into some positions, and I'll let you know what position to get into and everything. I'll show you how to do the exercises. But with that said, if you ever feel any pain, feel uncomfortable, you just let me know. We can stop, we can try something else. So with that said, do I have your consent to proceed?
Yes.
Awesome. So first things first, I'm just gonna start with a active and passive range of motion of your wrist. Move these other way. So your left wrist, so I'll get you to put your left wrist up here. I'll just kind of move it over here. So basically range of motion, what I'm gonna get you to do is just make a fist first, and then we're gonna get you to do flexion and extension. So you can go extension here, and then that's as far as you can go. Yeah, I'm just gonna push as far as I can here, just a little bit farther. Good. All right, and then you can go down. How's that feel?
Good.
Good. I'm just gonna push down a little bit more. Awesome. I think it should come out a little bit more. And then, so I'm gonna get you to push this pinky out to the table here as far as you can. No, sorry, your wrist. Just, yeah, there you go. And I'm just gonna push a little bit more. Awesome. And then same thing that way. Perfect. All right. And now I'm also going to get you to just kind of come out this way and have your arm kind of straight as you can there. So we're going to do what we call pronation supination. So I want you to keep your wrist straight the whole time and then just rotate your forearm. So I'll just start you from here, and then you can put that thumb down. I'm just going to pull you in even more. Awesome. And then I'm going to go the other way. Sweet. All right, perfect. So that was your range of motion. We're now gonna do just a measurement here to see how mobile your left arm is. So we would usually start with the other arm, but for time's sake, we're just gonna start with the one that's injured here. So what I'm gonna get you to do is just hold this pen just like this. I'll hold it like that, and then get you out like this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure pronation here. So I'm gonna line up this goniometer here with your third knuckle, your third metacarpal. And then I'm gonna follow with the other arm as the pen goes down. So pronation is just you pushing your hand down. So once you get to as far as you can go, I'm gonna also push it a little bit farther. So just let me know if you feel any pain there. So I'm just gonna line it up here. Okay, so just keep this wrist nice and square, and then you can rotate whatever you want. All right, keep going, keep going. Is that as far as you can go? A little more. All right, so we got you at 80, and we're just gonna push a little bit more. Actually, we had you at 100 and then 105 there. Awesome. So we can go back up. We're all good with the pen and this. So next we are going to move into just a muscle length test of your left extensors. So your extensors are the ones on the top here. But basically I don't want you to be using your fingers here. So we're gonna test the length of the extensors. So we're just gonna see how far they can go. So with that said, just tell me when you're all good there. Just tell me when you feel any pain, any stretching.
Yep.
That's about as far?
Yep.
Awesome. Sweet. And then lastly, we're just gonna test test some strength of your arm here. So first thing, probably get you to kind of rotate 45 degrees there just so it's easier. Like just sit, readjust. We'll do some strength testing here. So first one, I just want to get you to right to the end of the table here. And I'm just going to get you to make a fist here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get you to resist upwards, but we're going to do a couple reps of those. So first I'm just going to see if you can handle against gravity. So it looks like you're good. So then the second one here, 1, 2, 3, go. And stop. Have a rest there. There we go once more. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all good. And we're just going to last one as hard as you can go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So we got you to 5 for wrist extension there, and then we're gonna flip over, same position. I'm gonna get you into the fist again, and then just try and keep that wrist right at the end of the table if we can. So same thing, you can handle against gravity, so I'm just gonna kind of hold here, and then you just wanna resist me pushing down. Ready? Awesome. And once more. And we're gonna go last one, all you can. Ready? 1, 2. Awesome, perfect. So now I'm gonna get you back over here. So what, I'm just gonna kind of hold your hand here, and I'm gonna get you to push into my thumb. So that's just testing your ulnar deviation here. So on the count of 3, ready? 1, 2, 3, good. I'm gonna go a little bit heavier, some minimum resistance. Good. And once more for moderate. And once, and there we go. And then last time, as hard as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go ahead. Perfect. All right. So now kind of same thing with the other side here. Gonna get you to push in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And we're gonna go a little bit heavier. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And then just 2 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, rest, and then last one as hard as you can. Perfect. So now this next one here, it's same as the pronation supination we talked about before. So what I'm gonna get you to do is we'll just get you to lay down on the couch here. Move this out of the way. So I'm just gonna have your arm up here. We'll just get you into neutral position here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna move that thumb towards your body there, but I'm just going to resist. So I'll just get you into neutral starting. Okay, so on the count of 3, try and rotate. 1, 2, just close your fist. 1, 2, 3, go. And stop. We'll go a little bit harder if you can. Ready? Go. And good. We're just doing 2 more. So ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Awesome. Back to start. And last time. Ready? And good. Perfect. So now you're gonna stay in this position here, and you're gonna try and supinate. So that's just the opposite. So I'm just gonna resist with my thumb here, and I'm just gonna grab the wrist. So on the count of 3, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. And stop. I'm gonna go a little bit heavier. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. All right, 2 more. So ready? And go. And last one as hard as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Perfect. So we got a 5 for all those there. And then with one of the questions for extension, if you were able to go against gravity, but not against moderate resistance, then we give you a 3+ rating, which would be able to handle minimum resistance. And that should be everything.